Well, seems like us is mix. Grandma working, you're working. We are in our country. I know, right? Yeah, Richard. It's like this is our home. Yeah, yeah, this is our new home. Oh, oh, it's okay, Dilana. No, it's yeah, it's a garbage. Daddy said he's gonna pick it up. I know. This this is our home. Is there make sure there's no bugs, anak. I want the sun though. Are you not cold, anak? Oh, I just talked to Christina. It's smoking. Where they at? Yeah. No, and then now they're like uh man camp at mile 41 is they're being evacuated and miles away and pushing strong towards the highway. So it's a high fire and lightning activity is expected tomorrow. Yeah. No, that's why we have to watch. We don't have any dry area in our here, right, Han? Oh, is that an egg? Oh wow, what you do? That's a lot of sand. Is that an egg? Oh, oh, what happened? What is that? How about here? Let's sit here. I don't. Here, bring it here. There's more dirt here. Oh, what happened? Ah, no, no. What happened? You